gentlemen, I present to you the eighth wonder of the world. The one and only Pínokio!
Hello, Pops.
Jumping jeepers.
An almost real boy. Turn around, let me get a look at you. I will be right here when you get back.
Pinocchio is running around loose without a conscience? Can you imagine the trouble he's gonna get into?
Wouldn't want that on my conscience.
Everybody who's anybody wants to be a somebody.
But I want to be real.
Why on earth would you want to be real when you can be famous?
Pinocchio should have been home by now.
Pinocchio!
Like a bolt out of the blue, big step
You won't be a puppet anymore.
is you.
That's for sure.
When you wish upon a star,
Pinocchio,
dream
be brave.
Truthful.
Non-selfish.
You will always be my real boy.
A lie can really change a person, Pinocchio.
Whoa, what's happening, Jiminy?
Looks like some sort of fairy magic. Kinda on the nose, if you ask me.